Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing day 6 of the 12 Days of Socks Marvel Advent Calendar, so we'll get straight into it. We'll open up the big window. You'll see all our smaller windows in here. Locate window number 6, flip it open and check out our socks. So if you haven't been keeping up to date guys, make sure you check out the previous days and keep coming back for the remaining days. So we've got our nicely coloured sock here, very Christmassy. And then we've got the matching sock for the other foot there, guys. All right, well, that's everything included in today's window. So do let us know in the comments what you think. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. But for now, we're going to conclude this part of the video. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. Once we get to the next milestone, we're doing the next giveaway, so do subscribe, it's running for that, and we'll catch you next time.